Thank you for watching our videos. Please add in our WhatsApp group by sending request to WhatsApp number or by clicking on WhatsApp group invitation link provided in description. This will help to share information on new ideas, research topics, vacancies, PhD or research positions, events and guest lecture opportunities including keynotes. And also please support us by subscribing our channel, like our videos and by sharing these videos to your friends. We can make videos on your required topic or research paper. Please comment your requirement in comment section.
In this video, we can discuss about speed control of DC motor using boost converter. See, this is the DC motor which I selected as like 240 volts as a armature and 1750 is the my rated speed and 300 volts as a my field. So I selected the 300 volts as a my field and armature voltage I am varying by using boost converter. The voltage is my input voltage I taken as a 100 volts, so I cannot reduce the voltage below the 100. So I cannot reduce the speed, I mean I cannot operate the motor under below the some target speed, I mean which is corresponding to 100 volts, because the boost converter minimum output voltage is my input voltage. I cannot get below the output voltage, below the I mean my I cannot get the output voltage below my input voltage, because it is boost converter. I can get the above the input voltage, so I cannot reduce the voltage below the my input, I mean 100 volts. So the limitation of minimum speed is there. So if you want to use for in any electric vehicles, this boost converter is not suitable, because if we are using the boost converter, we cannot reduce the speed below some limitation of the speed, which is corresponding to my input. Like if I want the 10 rpm is very less speed, 10 rpm. This cannot be possible by using this 100 volts. So buck converter is most suitable, because sometime I can make it output voltage as a zero, which will be the input to DC motor. So I can get the zero speed, but here it is not possible. So generally this won't be used for any electric vehicles or any applications for less than the speed. I mean lower speed values. So simple thing is I connected one boost converter. I am varying the output voltage according to my duty cycle, and duty cycle is generated by PI controller, and the motor speed I am comparing with my target speed I am giving to the PI controller. So whatever the speed I am getting from the motor, I am comparing with my target speed. I want target speed as 1000 for up to 6 seconds and 1200 for after 6 seconds. And initially I applied the low torque as a 0, and after that 31, after 1 second my torque is 30 Newton meter. And this speed is basically is in RPS. See, this is the bus selector, and I selected the speed measurement as a speed measurement in radians per second and electromagnetic torque in Newton meter. So the speed radians per meter, radians per second, I am converting to revolutions per minute, 30 by pi. Actually 60 by 2 pi, which is equal to 30 by pi. So this actual speed in RPM, I am comparing with my target speed, and I converted to per unit system, like I mean nominal values. You can use 1750 also or either 1500 also, because it can be adjusted by PI controller. So this PI parameters I selected, and the saturation I am using, because I already told that some limitation is required for duty cycle. We cannot use the one duty cycle for, I mean one as a duty cycle for boost converter. See, at 0.95 I restricted. Now it is running. Let's see the outputs. Here it is my speed in RPM, the speed in RPS, and this is my electromagnetic torque. See, this is my speed. See, it is reaching nearly at 3 seconds. It is steady state. So before that I am not showing, because initially I want 1000 rpm, but at 1 second I applied the load at 30 Newton meter. and again it is reaching to 1000. So here also 1000, here also 1000, and here only the torque is changing. So this is the 1000, and after 6 seconds I want 1200 rpm. So it is reaching to 1200. So it can be concluded that whatever my torque applied or whatever changes in the torque with respect to speed, I can get the constant speed after steady state. So small disturbance will come, and this time period also can be adjusted by tuning of the PI controllers. So this is basically speed control of DC motor by using boost converter. But the thing is, we cannot use this for lower speeds. And in previous video I explained you about speed control of DC motor by using buck converter, which can be suitable for lesser values of the speed. And this is for some limitation is there. I mean, this is for above the some small speed which is corresponding to my input voltage. So if you will apply the 100 volts to the motor, then let me see what will be the speed. That will be my minimum speed I can get it from this circuit.